If you're starting your boutique law firm, you've probably seen the ads where you can buy your insurance online in under 60 seconds. And I know on the surface, that sounds efficient. You answer a few questions, you get a price, you move on to the next thing on your list. What I want to walk through today is exactly what those quotes are giving you, and more importantly, what they're excluding. There are really two ways that new law firms approach their insurance programs. One is using an online platform to get that quote quickly. The other is working with an insurance broker that specializes in helping law firms secure their coverage. To make this fair, let's assume the same firm is the one looking for the insurance in both scenarios, online or working with a specialist broker. Same practice area, same revenue size, same stage of growth. The only thing we're going to change is exactly how the policy is built. If you walk through an online quoting platform, the process is intentionally easy. You'll select your area of practice, estimate your revenue, enter your years of experience, and answer whether you've had prior claims or not. And that's usually enough to generate the price. What's missing isn't obvious to you at that moment. There's no real discussion about your prior acts from another firm, no type of detail about what work are you bringing with you, no questions about client funds, data access, or how your practice is structured. Then you get your quote real quick. Premium looks good, a limit that seems appropriate, and a sense that the box has been checked and you can go on with your day. But that system is built on simplicity and assumptions, and sometimes these assumptions come back to bite you at the time of a claim. The real difference shows up when you look past the price and into how the policy actually responds at the time of a claim. In many cases, prior acts are not included. That means anything tied to the work prior to the date you started this policy would not be covered. Defense costs are often within the limit, which means that the cost to defend you will reduce what's available to resolve the pending claim. Coverage for cyber events, employment issues, or even certain regulatory issues may not be included at all, or may be limited in ways that are not obvious to you. None of these things make the policies bad. It just means that those policies were built to be fast, not tailored to your specific firm. When a broker is involved, the process takes a little bit longer and it's a little more detailed, but that's intentional. A good broker is going to be asking you questions about your firm that these online platforms won't. We want to understand what kind of work did you do prior to starting your own firm? Are you bringing clients with you? Are you handling client funds? How is your data accessed? What technology platforms are you using? What's your plan to grow? Those answers are not just influencing the pricing, but it's influencing how the policy is structured. The difference between these two approaches doesn't just boil down to technology. It's about what the process of underwriting is designed to do. An instant quote is designed to do just that, get you a quote and a premium as fast as possible. A broker-led process is designed to think through how a claim would pay out and structure the coverage accordingly. One prioritizes speed and simplicity. The other prioritizes whether the policy actually holds up when something goes wrong. And there are situations where that online quick quote can work for you. If you're doing very low risk, you don't have any prior exposures, you're not handling client funds, you're not bringing clients with you, you don't plan to grow simply, a simple policy might be right for you. But once you start introducing those other variables that set you up to grow, that's when you should be having a conversation with a broker like The Bunker. Insurance only matters when something goes wrong. And when it does, how quickly you got that quote is irrelevant. It will be whether the policy responded how you expected it to. At The Bunker, we specialize in helping the modern law firm make sure that their insurance program is structured correctly from the start. If you want to make sure that your insurance program is moving your law firm from danger to a safe place, make sure to contact us.